people are saying कि ये जो सारे इंडिपेंडेंट्स खड़े हैं वो वोट काटेंगे पीडीपी और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, ज़्यादा तो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और and now you'll have a khichdi which is going to come up and it will be
eventually it will be a government ruled state. But I'll tell you वो वैसे भी है, because जैसे दिल्ली में है ना, see now listen to the shortcomings of BJP. इन्होंने इतने पावर गवर्नर को दिए हैं, वैसे भी जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हमारा बनेगा भी उसके पास क्या पावर होगा? It doesn't really make sense.
But Mr. Shah has said that
statehood will be restored.
इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं.
Yeah, I know. But see, the point is that it can come to a situation which everybody says but will not admit, is that either Omar or Mehbooba could become chief minister. Acha, that's another thing which I wanted to ask you. Is it like a done deal ki, out of if somebody has to become chief minister from National Conference is going to be Omar and not Farooq? डॉक्टर साहब
की एज देखिए यार, वो कहाँ से? आई डोंट थिंक
सबसे ज्यादा तो कैंपेनिंग डॉक्टर साहब ही कर रहे हैं.
yeah
I don't know.
And again
but he is definitely more popular than Omar Abdullah.
That possibility. In Haryana also there is a lot of talk about that Dipinder Hooda, but Bhupinder Hooda would not leave.
Bhupinder Hooda still is an old tiger, but a tiger still, right? He still has energy to be CM.
Precisely. Whereas my assessment again, I think Farooq Saab would want, because Umar has already been chief minister. If Umar wins and if they get a mandate, then no.
But if it is to join hands with the BJP, Farooq Saab will be comfortable being chief minister, joining hands with the BJP.
बिल्कुल.
Will Omar be comfortable doing that?
I don't think so.
No, why not? He will do whatever his father tells him to. It's a fact.
I doubt it.
No, it is.
I think
he speaks. See, वो बोलने का एक होता है, करने का एक होता है. NC का हमेशा से यही रहा है. बोलते एक चीजें कर, like he said. You have any song for that? So he will go. So this time
वो song तो वो होगा, कहीं पे तीर कहीं पे निशाना.
नहीं. फारूक साहब के तू जो बोले हाँ तो हाँ, तू जो बोले ना तो ना.
So this
तुम दिन को अगर रात कहो तो रात कहेंगे.
वो भी कर सकते हैं, because they can keep this thing like Omar is a future, so if there is a temporary deal and a unstable government, then all kind of possibilities.
देखो क्या होता है, अभी तक कश्मीरियों ने ये नहीं देखा ना कि उमर एंड बीजेपी टुगेदर.
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ.
वो शायद हो सकता है
के टाइम पे थे.
क्या MOS कॉमर्स थे, and that also Vajpayee was a different it was a different BJP.
Yeah.
Right, and a BJP now after 370 has been taken out, it's a different BJP altogether. So for Omar, it might be a little difficult to accept. But then,
but if Mehbooba did it, he can very well do it, because Mehbooba, it was more difficult to imagine Mehbooba doing it, to be honest. But उसने किया तो ये तो कर ही ले.
And Mehbooba might go with BJP, right?
She looks like she is, because today only she gave the statement that NC is responsible for all bloodshed.
I would say, I will not speculate on that, but the moment Mr. Ram Madhav was appointed as a point person, it was a signal, because
Tarun Chugh has also spent as much time or more in Kashmir.
Ram Madhav had a kind of mandate at that point of time, had that authority. He was the one who was responsible for propping up, at Mufti Muhammad Saeed. In fact, he has been on record to say that he and Mufti Saeed had very good equation. It's just that Mufti Saeed died, that there were a lot of problems came in. Otherwise, it would have been, Kashmir would not have been what it is today.
But Mufti Saeed to home minister the. He's not made the kind of statement. Mehbooba has shown herself to be so pro-Mujahideen. And then she joined hands with BJP. जब वो हो सकता है,
what Mufti has done with the Mujahideens, everybody knows. I guess थोड़ा सा history अगर हम जाए
रुबैया सैयद का, I know that.
Connections
but उनके statements वैसे नहीं थे. इसके तो statements भी वैसे थे.
उनकी करतूतें भी थी यार.
हाँ. So even if Omar joins hands with BJP, he's going to say कि मैंने BJP को बता दिया है कि ये नहीं करना, ये कश्मीरियों को यूज करके फेंकना नहीं, ये नहीं, स्टेटहुड वो जल्दी दे देंगे, उस कंडीशन पे मैंने हाथ मिलाया. He's going to say that.
कश्मीर का क्या है, ये दो ही परिवार हैं. And पहले एक ही परिवार. And then the second parivar comes in. And one of them is going to be probably the chief minister in the...
Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Okay. People would be happier with an engineer, Rashid.
As chief minister?
I believe so. I believe they would be happier with him or Rahul Gandhi's Congress is somebody. But then Congress, like you said, has no proper candidate. So I think it's engineer Rashid. I feel so.
So that's what she's predicting a Bhindranwale syndrome to continue.
Although I would never go to his dawats, to be honest. I don't want to end up eating beef or pork, but I think he's going to be. And the plebiscite part which you say, I'm not standing up for him at all. I don't trust that man, okay? बट आई फील एज अ नेशनलिस्ट आई एम सेइंग, आज की तारीख में, पहले का मुझे पता नहीं आप लोगों का जब आप लोग जाते थे वहाँ पर रिपोर्टिंग करने, आज मैं बताती हूँ, थाट से बोलती हूँ, कर लो प्लेबिसिट, मुझे पता है कश्मीरी इंडिया को ही चूज़ करेगा, चाहे वो राहुल गांधी के लिए हो, चाहे वो मोदी के लिए हो, चाहे वो डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्रेस जो भी इंडिया जिस तरह से ग्लोबल लीडर बन रहा है उसके लिए हो, बट वो ही, एंड चाहे वो पाकिस्तान की बर्बादी की वजह से हो, बट ही विल चूज़ इंडिया, ये मेरी गारंटी है।
Click here to watch the full episode.